Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we have a super huge online haul. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, this is a huge haul. I'm gonna start doing these hauls because I don't know about you guys, but I don't really feel comfortable excuse me, going shopping anymore. So I'm one of those people that are having like a whole bunch of deliveries. Let me know if you're stuck at home like me and just ordering stuff. Okay, so I actually did like a huge haul on some online stuff that I needed for the house that I usually do go to the store to get it, but I found these online and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. And if you're looking at this video on my blog, that whole list of everything that's in here, just in case you guys are curious, I'll have that list of everything that was in this haul so you guys can check it out. So if you like hauls and reviews, definitely check out my blog because I do a lot of things. I post every day on that blog, so definitely check that out if you're curious. Okay, so the first thing I had here, now you can get this anywhere, but like I said, I just saw this online and I ordered it. This is a fabric refreshener. This says it has wrinkle release. So it's from Fresh Fruit Fiji. So it's supposed to have like a fresh scent to it. That's what it says there. So if you need anything like that, it has the the refreshener for your bed. I like to use this sometimes because you guys know I love Bath and Body candles. I like to use this during the day when I'm not burning a candle because I usually burn candles at night when I get off work. So that's something I like to just freshen up. Especially I have a teenage son and a daughter, so I like to use that in their rooms because their rooms is a mess. Okay, and the next thing I have here is, this is hand soap. Now, I don't know if you guys, I just placed an order for groceries online and I ordered, what did I order? Antibacterial hand soap. I tried, but it's like in and out. It's like one day it's available, next day it's not. So I actually ordered this just in case. So this is antibacterial soap. I was given like a sample of this before and we loved it. It has no scent, it's super neutral, and it kills the germs just like any antibacterial soap. But the reason why I like this one is because of the ounces. So this is 16 fluid ounces. This is called Defense, and as you see there, it just says, what does it say? Hand soap, shield for you, and that's what it looks like. And like I said, it's super huge, so I like it. It's super big. All right, and then the next thing, okay, another thing, antibacterial soap, hand gel. I've been having a hard time, beside the Bath and Body one that you guys probably saw in my last haul. I was able to get antibacterial hand gel from Bath and Body, but I'm just on this kick where I prefer to have more than I need. So I got these. This is like a vanilla hand soap there. So hand gel, sorry. So these little ones, I put them in my purse or I just throw them in the car just so that I have them available. I think I got another one. Yeah, I got another one that's vanilla. I think that's it. Yeah, I got vanilla because they have cucumber melon also, but my husband doesn't like it because for him it smells too girly, so we didn't get that one. This one, when you guys know that I moved a couple weeks ago, this thing, I don't know if I threw this away, but this is something that I swear by. I don't know if you guys, and let me know in the comments section below if you guys have tried a pineapple core. Basically, you put the pineapple underneath here, and you twist this around, and this takes out the pineapple for you, so you don't have to kill yourself trying to cut the sides and try to make it neat. This works. It definitely works. I think that's like $12.99 online, but like I said, I'll put it on the blog so you guys can check that out. This right here, if you're ever looking for a cost, not pricey, micellar water, this is from Anew. This is their Hydrofusion cleansing water. Whatever, it works. My husband actually uses this. He swears by it because he has oily skin, so he doesn't like to put like creams and stuff. So he likes, and he's not like me, he doesn't do a whole regimen just to clean his face. He uses this to clean his face. So this is just, and it's, what is this, 10 fluid ounces, so this is super huge too. So I use that. And then another thing I found is these multi-purpose wipes. Now I've been, like I said, basically did did an online order for grocery shopping. Anything basically that said antibacterial or Lysol, I didn't even get in the order. They had to cancel that part of the order. I was so mad. I thought I was getting it. But when I placed my order online here, I was able to get multi-purpose wipes. So this is, let me see, this is fresh pomegranate, and this has, what is it? Let me see. This has 60 wipes. So I thought that was good, so I can put that to the side. And it was like a backup for the Lysol wipes that I got at the store, which I didn't get. So thank goodness I ordered those. Now you guys know I get Bath and Body hand soaps, but guess what? These smell really good, and this is from Cucina. This is hand soap. Now this is pomegranate and grapefruit. So if you see that there, this smells really good. But what I do is I take this, and it also comes with a pump. It comes with the pump, but what I do is I take a little bit. And if you guys have seen any of my videos for Bath and Body, what I do is I usually put the shower gels in the hand soaps to refill it. But you can use this, you can use any soap really, but you can use this. So you use like this much of hand soap, and then you put the rest in water with the Bath and Body foaming cleanser hand soap, and then it'll be a refill for use. So I got like, how many did I get? I think I got 2. So I bought 2 of these because we love the way that this one smells, and this is gonna last me a long time. So I have 2, and you're putting a little bit in that foaming, the Bath and Body foam cleanser, and that's gonna last you, like I said, a very long time. Okay, now the other thing, I don't know if you guys care. What is this? Oh, I needed a pencil sharpener for my lip liner. Okay, so I got that. Now, I don't know if anybody cares about shakes or anything like that. So I usually put spinach in my lunch shakes. My husband doesn't put spinach because he works out in the field. So I'm at home, I can put spinach in it. But he uses this. So this is like a Power Greens in place of like spinach and kale. So that's like a replacement for you if you don't feel like, putting spinach in your shake. And then we also get this plant protein. This is, what is this, vanilla? And then I get, what else? A chocolate, hold on. I get chocolate too. So we like this. This basically replaces my lunch. And let me see, the last thing I have a whole bunch. So we have 2 more, so I have 4 of those. And then I have 2 of the green ones, the greens. Then the last but not least, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Hold on, what is this? I have no idea what it says. 1 more scoop. I don't know if that was a bonus. Maybe it was. What is this? Hold on. 1 more scoop. Gelato. I wish it was gelato, seriously. I'll figure it out. I'll put it on my blog so you guys can see. Actually, let me look at the receipt. That'll be helpful to me so I can figure out what the heck this is. Because it says, you see that? It says 1 more scoop. Let me see what the heck that is, because that's super weird. It's like super random. Let me see if this is like a bonus or something. Let me see. It says gelato lip raspberry limoncello. All right, so I don't know what this is again because it really doesn't say on the receipt, but it does say it was a bonus, so I'm cool with that. Let me see. Okay, this is super weird, but hold on. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, here you go. I want you guys to see that. This is what it is. And I'm scared to open. Oh, it does open. Okay. Oh, see, I'm slow. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's lip line. Well, lip gloss. All right, I could dig it. Got some on there. Okay, that's cool because I love lip gloss. All right, so this is just a unique lip gloss because I didn't know what the heck that is, but I can totally dig it. You see it's light. I don't like dark lip glosses or lipsticks, but this one, yeah, it's a color I can totally dig it. All right, so that is my online haul. Like I said, I'll put everything on my blog. Definitely check that out if you're curious about any of these products. But with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.